Edward Bramson's attempt to get a seat on the board of Barclays, that didn't go well. 87.21% of the shareholders voted against the Bramson resolution. Stefania Spezzati joins us now, Bloomberg banking reporter. That is a pretty convincing vote against Edward Bramson.
Yeah.
What does he do now? Well,
that's a big question. Today he basically appeared to the annual general meeting. He's one of, was a very public presence. He's very shy, doesn't talk to the press, he doesn't engage with the media. Today he came there at 10:30 and then he left at 11 just to give us a statement about the results of the vote. And he said basically he's going to see in the next few quarters what he's going to do, and that the main institutional shareholders have decided not to vote for him because they want to give a chance to the new chairman, Nigel Higgins, that is taking over exactly today.
Stefania, as with all activists, he sort of made his point already, right? A board seat might have been icing on the cake, but given that some of the major shareholders weren't going to vote for him and he knew this in advance, obviously the percentage was going to be pretty high against him. But he's fine, right? He still has a 5.5% stake in a bank that's now presumably going to do better.
Yeah, I mean, he said that he has one million risk in Barclays. I mean, we also should look at the past, at what happened in the past when he had a stake of over 20% in Electra. So it was 2014 when he lost a shareholder meeting. He lost convincingly as well. So everybody was was expecting him to leave or to sell the stock. However, he stuck around. And in 2016, he managed to install himself as a CEO of Electra. So obviously, it's still a long way. Barclays is changing the management as a new chairman. The investment bank numbers are not too bad. So we will see what happens and if he decides to stick around. Obviously, as of now, he will lose a lot of money if he decides to sell now. So, and that will be one of the first bad investments made by him.